Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's Philip, and today I'll show you how to edit your PDF file for free online using PDF24 Tools. It's very easy and very straightforward. You have a link to the website in the description of this video, so let's start. Click choose file, and we will choose these resources and click open, and over here you can preview your PDF. So what we can do over here, we can click here free drawing, and we can add some lines, change some colors. Over here you can change the opacity if you want to, and for example like this, or you can choose the black color if you want to remove some parts of your PDF file. We can choose the brush type, for example pencil, and so on and so on. You can change the brush width over here. Also you can add text by clicking here add text, and text will be here, so double click inside and type in anything you want and position it like this. Very easy. Over here you can choose the fonts, you can choose the size, you can bold, you can underline, you can center, choose line height, you can choose the set fill color, select stroke color, and so on and so on. After that we can add picture. We can just click here and it will automatically leads us to our desktop, and over here you can, for example, add image here, position it, and edit your PDF file. After that we can add shapes if you want to, for example square. You can put square here, make some nice designs, and we can clone element. So if you click this and click clone element, it will duplicate your text, duplicate your images, and so on and so on. You can also select your element, hit delete on your keyboard, or click here remove element. And after you are done, you just click here, you can see this save PDF, and it will go down and it will process your PDF. And after that we can preview it if you want, or you can close it here and click download to download it to your desktop. For example, name it test. You can double click it and see your PDF over here. And if you want to make your digital life even easier, be sure to check out the full playlist right here. It's packed with simple free tools that will help you handle all your PDF files and save you a ton of time.